it's Grandy here. Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draft your own lace boy short. So for today's drafting tutorial, you will need a pencil, an eraser, a French curve, and a paper. And also you need to know the width of your lace. This one is 16 centimeters. You can use anything between 14 to 23. And they have to be stretch lace. To draft your own lace boy short, you only need your waist measurement today. First, let's have a look at this half-scale overview I prepared early on for this tutorial to understand the meaning of each line and points. To start with, the A and B are half the width of your waist measurement. And C to D is the width of your lace. And the F to I plus H to E is the gusset length. And the I to K and H to J are half width of your gusset width. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use 80 as the waist measurement, and 13.5 centimeter is the gusset length. But if you prefer longer, you could extend it later. Now let's start drafting the boy short. In this video, I will draw everything in half scale, but I will talk about it in the real number. So let's start drawing a horizontal guideline for the waistline. So this line should be half of your waist measurement times 90%. So in this case, I've got 80 for my waist measurement, divide by 2 and times 90%. So that is 36 centimeters. So this line needs to be 36 centimeters. The 90% here is the stretch reduction for your lace. And now we're going to find the middle point here. And draw a line perpendicular to the AB. Name this point C. So this C to D is going to be the same length as your lace. So in this case, it will be 16 centimeters. And now you're going to draw a line horizontal to AB, but perpendicular to C and D. Okay, now we're going to draw a perpendicular line from A to A dash, B to B dash, and this line will be 1 centimeter shorter than your center line here. So that will be 15 centimeters in this case. So we're going to name it A dash and B dash dash. And now from the B dash dash, we're going to square out to the left 3.5 centimeters. And same as the A dash, we're going to square out to the left 3.5 centimeters. I'm going to join the B to this point here. Also A to this point here. Now we're going to talk about the front crotch first. So we're going to find a point on the slope line, which is 3 centimeters above this line here. And then I'm going to square out from this line to the right 4.5 centimeters. That's for the front crotch length. Okay, I'm going to extend this one a little bit longer. Now you're going to square out down to the bottom line. And here going to be your front crotch width. That's the I and that's the K. So this is 3 centimeters. That's half the width of your crotch. And that's 4.5. That's the front of your crotch length. And then we're going to draw a line from this point here, which we name it F. 45 degrees. Draw a line for 1.5 centimeters. And then you're going to draw a curved line to the top. And from this point, curve out to the bottom here. It's going to be smooth here. Okay. So this is your front crotch. It's ready. So we're going to do the same for your back crotch. So from the bottom line, find the point 3 centimeters above, which touch the slope line. See here. And square out. So which this line will be parallel to the AB. So this one is 8.5 centimeters. This one, I'm going to call it E, and this is H here. So same 45 degrees and 2 centimeters away from the E point. Okay, I have to use 1 because I use half scale here. But yeah, but for the real thing is 2 centimeters away from the E point. And from this point, I'm going to curve out. Same as here. So yeah, it should be a little bit smoother here. Okay, so this is 45 degrees angle going out. So 1.5 here and 2 centimeters here. And the front is 4.5 centimeters and the back is 8.5. So 4.5 plus 8.5 is 13.3, which is your total length for your gusset. And now I'm going to extend this line. So do a perpendicular line from the H point to the bottom line here. So that's 3 centimeters, that's 3 centimeters. So that's actually the whole drafting, which is pretty quick. And if you want longer gusset length, you can extend on this line here or the line here. Depends whether you want to increase on your front crotch or on your back crotch. And if your lace is very stretchy, I suggest you increase your stretch reduction maybe to 85% or 80% appropriate to your stretch of your lace. And for sewing, you need to add seam allowance on the front crotch and here, and also the back crotch from here to here. As your preference, I use 6 millimeter, but you can use 1 centimeter or 6 millimeter, depends on you. And also the gusset piece. You can see the point that for the gusset piece, the point that touches the slope, can draw a line, draw a small curved line from that point to the bottom. That's your front gusset. For the back, same thing. You find your point on the slope, draw a small curved line. So that one will be your back. So you're gonna join the front and the back at the seam line here to make a whole piece for the gusset. So the gusset, you don't need a seam allowance. You just need to overlock the entire piece and put it in the center lined up and do zigzag to your lace boy short. I'm gonna show you the boy short here. To understand the pattern, that you can have a look, the A to B is from here and turn around on here. So that's half of your waist. And C to D, which from here to here, that's 16 centimeters. From J to K, which is your leg opening, that's the circle here. And the I, K, H, and J, that's half the gusset width. So when you join two pieces together, the whole one is 6 centimeters. And the front crotch is here. And then this is your back crotch, which is here. So that's the tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the whole tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you next time.